What's going on, guys? Jose here. We're back on the kayak. Hopefully we can get some snook, some red, some trout, and we're gonna start off the morning with some top water first, and then we'll switch over once the sun comes up a little bit more, and I'll see you guys out there. Boy, am I in the mangroves, huh? I'm just trying to ever so gently eke forward, just so that I don't spook anything. As about 100 mullet run off. Oh my god, look at this. There's a little lagoon back here. Oh, we're gonna check this out. Oh, this looks spicy. Well, this is a detour. Oh, look at all the mullet popping. Oh, baby, this has got to be a slob snook sitting back here. Let's give it a shot around here. This looks interesting. If I've learned anything from flats fishing, whoa, something spooked them all, is that you never know when you're gonna find a big fish. And I got a feeling there's something holed up in here. Alright guys, we're finally hooked up here. Nice size snook. Trying to loosen the drag a little bit on him. Trying to make the, I'm fishing really light leader. Oh, that's a nice snook. Nice snook. Trying to keep it, the line, away from his gill plate. Give him as much slack as he wants. Trying to ever so slowly fight him. He wants to go into the mangroves, but I don't want to let him. Oh, perfect hook set. Nope, 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 nope. I need you to stop. I think I stopped him. I'm fishing really light leader, so I gotta be super careful. Nice. That's probably a 24-inch snook, something like that. Nice little underslot. Oh my god, he's hooked in the corner of the mouth. Get a little bit closer. I can get him. Nice. Alright, first fish of the morning. Pretty little snook. Yeah, you see, he chafed up my leader pretty good, but fortunately he was hooked in the corner of the mouth, so this chafe means that the line was rubbing against his gill plate. Just a good way to lose a snook. Alright guys, first fish of the morning. Beautiful, I'd say probably 23, 24-inch snook. Nothing giant, but absolutely beautiful little guy. Came up, crushed a super fluke. So get a nice little picture and send them on his way. Alright guys, we threw it back that little snook, beautiful little snook, and I'm sitting on a flat here that's got mullet popping everywhere, and that's where I caught that snook, just flipping a fluke into the pot of mullet. And I think we're gonna pick up and move to another flat because the tide is coming out, so it's all coming this way. So there's some areas that I think are gonna be really good. They're gonna be really shallow, but I think they're gonna be really good. So what I'm gonna do, I put the GoPro to charge. I'm gonna paddle and see if we can find some more fish here. Alright guys, we're at the second spot here. Let's see if we can get some trout, some red, some snook, whatever's around really.
Oh
my goodness, what the hell was that? Jesus Christ, what is that? Holy Jesus. That thing went boom. Holy cow. Jesus Christ, that sounded like a bomb going off. Well, I guess there's fish here, huh? I think it was a big overslot snook. That sounded like a snook dump. Guys, do you see all these little ripples right here? All that's all mullet. That's all bait. It's all live bait. Just cruising, just chilling here in the flats. There's gotta be a snook or a trout sitting under these. Oh, that's a decent fish. What is he? What is he? Oh, I think it's a snook. He's thrashing his head. Looks like it's a big trout. What is you? We finally made it to this spot, guys. I just set up the anchor too, because we got a nice wind blowing, and finally hook up here. I don't know what he is, but he's dogging me pretty. Oh, is that a red? Oh, it is a red. It is a redfish. Wow! Look how beautiful he is. Oh, perfectly hooked. Got him. Woo! Nice little puppy red drum. Hell yeah! Wow, look at that. Not as big as the other one from the last video, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look how cool these little fish are. Check out this beautiful, beautiful golden redfish, man. Look at the colors on this thing. He gave me a really good little fight. Woo! Absolutely beautiful little fish. Let's send this little guy on his way. We got a redfish and a snook. All we need is a sea trout now to finish the inshore slam. Man, that was a beautiful little redfish. That's the second one I've ever caught. And he dogged me pretty good. Oh, that always excites me. That made my day. Man, it's been a grind today. We've been out here for almost 7 hours? No, 8. Just about 8 hours. I only have 2 fish to show for it. I don't know what this is. I think it's a big snook. Oh, I think it's a big snook. I think it's a big snook. I just got smoked. Big, yeah, it's a big snook. Oh, gnarly. Oh yeah, that's a snook. I see the tail. Big snook, big snook. Come on. Oh, he's a big one. I saw the yellow of his tail. But he's gonna spook right here. Watch. He's gonna see me and he's gonna nope out of here. Oh, yep, what'd I say? I have to loosen a drag here because I don't know where he's hooked. I have no idea where he's hooked. I have to play it perfectly. That's a big fish. This is a big one. I might have to let go of the anchor here. Oh, this thing is running all the way back to the truck. I'm not fishing on the pier with my 80-pound setup where I can just rip them out of the pilings. I'm fishing light tackle here. Oh my gosh, that's a fatty. Oh my god, I see him. Bro, look at that tail. It's alright. He's not running to the mangroves, thankfully. If he was running to the mangroves, I'd be kind of screwed. because not only do I have to worry about his jaw and gills fraying me off, I gotta worry about the mangroves too. Speak of the devil, we have to let go of the anchor. Where is he? Okay, I'm actually getting concerned here. Come on, buddy, come on. Oh no, you see where that line is? That is dangerously close to the mangroves. Dangerously close. Oh, I see him. He's probably about 10 feet off. Might even bump it up, down even more. Oh my god, that's a fatty. I have to turn him right here. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh my god, he's a giant. Oh my god. That actually might be my PB snook. Alright, I think I'm pretty confident in a hook set. I have a ruler with me. My PB is only 35 inches. I mean, that's big, but not a jumbo. This might break that PB. So, I have a ruler with me. I don't think he's 40. He's probably upper 30s. Oh my god, that hook's barely in there in the corner of his mouth. Don't do this. Don't do this. Come here. Yes! Holy shit! Look at the size of that snook! Woo! Holy cow! Holy cow! Guys, look at the size of the snook! Woo! Woo! Look at this thing! Hold on. God, that's a fatty snook! I fought him for like 10 minutes straight. Something like that. Because I was concerned he'd frayed me off. And he almost did. He got really close. The line right by the knot's all frayed, but look at this thing. Let's put this big girl down. Oh. Oh. Look at the size of this snook. Holy cow. Alright. She's tired, but she's good. What I'm gonna do right now, I am literally shaking. I haven't caught a snook this big in over a year. My kayak's a mess right now. Everything's a mess. I have a ruler. I'm gonna break out the ruler. I'm gonna put the ruler on the kayak. Let's see how much how long she is. I think this is probably close to my PB. Like I said, my PB is 35 inches. This wind is giving me issues. Here we go. My PB is 35 inches. So we are going to measure this big girl and see if she breaks my PB. Alright. So we're gonna put her. Oh god, this is a 15-20 pound fish. At 0 right there. 0. She's at 34 inches. Fold the tail, 34 or 0, and the mouth is at 34. So 34-inch snook, close to my PB, but not my PB. That's a fatty. Woo! She is definitely my kayak PB. Definitely my kayak snook PB. Look at the size of this fish. Look how fat she is. Holy cow. You're a good girl. You know that? You're a good girl. That's right. You're a good girl. She didn't like the head scritches. Head scritches, yes. You get head scritches. I don't catch a lot of big snook, but you know, this is something special to me. Very, very special. Definitely a PB kayak snook. All right, it's time to say goodbye to this big girl. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I'm exhausted. I'm done. I thought about going and trying to catch another snook and maybe a trout, but I'm just beat. I've kayaked probably 4 miles today. Been out in the sun all day. Limited water and food. But you know what? It was worth it. It was worth it. So I'm really happy. And I really hope you guys all liked the video. And drop a big old thumbs up, because that was an awesome day. That really was an awesome day. So drop a big old thumbs up. Make sure you guys sub to the channel and turn those post notifications on, so you guys can see the upcoming videos when they're posted. And we'll see you guys next time.